Oh, look at that. Yes, I think it must be. Indeed, the very bird I'd hoped to see. The cream-filled puff. Oh, and do my eyes deceive me? Or is that the spoon-billed flit? Yes. Oh, and regardez! The lesser wallop and the rose-breasted dowager! Oh, I'm so excited! I'm the first scientist to discover these rare birds. Oh, rara avis! My bird watching is a success! Wait till I tell all the other scientists!
Oh, dear. Oh, gee. You know, Dr. Price doesn't realize that those are just paper birds. Why, if he tells the other scientists, they're going to laugh at him. This is terrible.
What's the matter, Big Bird?
Oh, gee, Gordon, you know, I put those paper birds up in the tree so Dr. Price could do some bird watching.
Uh-huh, yeah.
But he thinks they're real. I didn't mean to fool him. I just wanted to help. Do you think I should tell him about it?
Yes, I do. And soon, before he realizes they're just paper and then thinks that you fooled him on purpose.
Oh, gee, but what should I say? I mean, I don't want him to be angry with me.
Well, tell him the truth, just like you told me, Big Bird. I'm sure he'll understand.
Oh, I hope so.
Well, excuse me, I've got to go practice my flute. Good luck.
Thanks, Gordon.
Shh. Wait a minute. Those birds aren't breathing or moving. And I haven't seen them eating.
But Dr. Price.
Oh, I just discovered something. Yes, those birds are not alive. Shh. I'm studying the birds.
Yeah, but I know, and that's what I've been trying to tell you see. Well, they're just paper. I put them in the tree because I thought it would be fun for you to watch them until some real birds came along. I'm sorry you got so excited about nothing.
Just paper.
Yeah, well, I'm really sorry, Dr. Price.
Well, that's quite all right, Big Bird. In fact, since I figured it out myself, you helped me prove I'm a good scientist. Did you hear that?
Yeah, it was,
Oh, of course. That was the call of the cream-filled puff. My efforts are going to pay off after all. I believe it came from over there.
But that was just Gordon playing his flute.
Did you hear it?
What?
At last, I have found the cream-filled puff.
The cream-billed puff?
No? Oh, of course not. You're right. It must have been the rose-breasted dowager. Oh, that would be splendid. Oh, I think I heard something. Yes, it's over here.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters B and W, and by the number 5. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.